You just yawned, and now the person next to you is yawning too. Why? It's called contagious yawning, and it's linked to empathy. Your brain has mirror neurons. When you see someone yawn, your brain acts as if you yawned yourself. It's the same system that makes you flinch when someone gets hurt. Dogs catch yawns from humans. Babies don't yawn contagiously until they're about 4 years old. When empathy develops, people with higher empathy yawn more. Psychopaths, they're less likely to yawn back. So next time you yawn because someone else did, it's your brain saying, I feel what you feel. Subscribe for more surprising psychology facts.